Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for endless videos on motovlogs, product reviews and much more.
Okay, so friends, we have reached the main city of Deoghar and Ravi Bhai ने बहुत अच्छा warm welcome किया है. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, simple सबको ये देखिए, सब आए थे हम लोग से मिलने के लिए. Every brother was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire. Okay, so hello everyone. Today is 2nd of October and the time is almost 3:40 in the morning and I'm all set to leave for Siliguri. So let's see what all things I'm going to carry today. So this is my Tarmac Expedition touring jacket and this is my helmet, my SJ6 Legend and my knee guards, my normal pro bikers gloves and some cloth to wear inside the helmet. And yes, I forgot to keep this, my earphones. Okay, so coming to the luggage part, so I'll be carrying my Via Terra Clomini tail bag and a locally purchased tank bag. This tank bag I will be mounting on my tail bag because it's a bit disturbing when I keep it on the tank. In this I'll be carrying all my electronics and in the tail bag I'll be carrying my clothes and some extra documents and everything. Okay, so reached the meeting point and only two riders are here. One of them is Tapan Bhai. Hi guys. He's from Patna. He came yesterday from day before yesterday.
Yeah, day before yesterday.
He came day before yesterday from Patna to Ranchi. And from Ranchi he'll be going with me to Siliguri and then we both will be returning and rest of the people will carry on to Bhutan. And my friend Dhaval, friend here, Bhai, and also Akash, they came to see off me. So thanks, bye.
Two riders came over here.
So they are leaving now and okay, bye. Nice.
He's a very good vlogger from
Actually, the problem now is that SK Bhai is taking some time because of his luggage, and what we have decided that Tapan and me, we both will be riding out of the city and then we'll be waiting for at some point. From there we'll join together and then we'll proceed our ride. So right now I'll be riding on this KTM RC 390. Let's go.
अच्छे से जाना.
Okay, so we have almost exited the city and we are about to join the 4-lane road, and you can see how the fog is all around us. ये अचानक से स्टार्ट हो गया, सिटी में तो नहीं था ऐसा, because of the greenery over here, hopefully. And so we'll be stopping over here. This is the Madhuban restaurant, so we'll stop here and wait for some time till the other rider comes and then we'll proceed ahead.
Okay, so T2 Bhai and Shubha Bhai came finally. We are delayed by 2.5 hours, that is very much. रात में पता चलेगा इसका असर. So they will have their breakfast and after that we'll leave from here. देखते हैं.
Okay, so we are ready to start our ride. T2 Bhai is on his Royal Enfield, Shubha Bhai on his Phaser 25, me on my Trigger and Tapan Bhai on his RC.
चलो यार.
ठीक है, चलिए.
राइड करना.
अब तो 8 के बाद ही ना निकलिएगा, तब तक तो हम आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, चलिए. Next time. Okay, so just starting the ride, we got delayed by 2.5 hours, but all set. Everyone is leaving now. Let's see. So far, so good.
Bhutan. All the best.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Antonian.
Antonian, oh yes. I don't remember your name.
2016 best last year.
Okay.
The weather is perfect. ना ज़्यादा गर्मी है, ना ज़्यादा ठंड है, ना बारिश हो रही है. It's cloudy type. That is very good for riding purposes. So the formation is right ahead T2 Bhai, then Tapan Bhai, then SK Bhai, and then me. So our first stop hopefully would be Deoghar. Hopefully we'll take a halt there. If not, then we'll proceed to Bhagalpur. Now let's see. By the way, the time is 9:30. We started very late.
Okay, so we have covered around 70 kilometers from Ranchi, and we took a halt over here just to have something to eat. And we were not going very slow, but we took stop because it started raining in the valley, so we have to put on our rain gears, which took a bit of time. So we'll have something over here and then we'll proceed.
और रवि भाई कहीं 12 बजा हुआ है भूख के कारण. यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग रोटी तड़का खा रहे हैं. अंडा तड़का अंडा तड़का भी खाएंगे. और यहाँ से सीधा अभी देवघर की ओर निकलेंगे और जितना हो सके कम से कम देख लेंगे क्योंकि टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है और आज उनका स्टे लग रहा है कि देवघर में ही होगा. तो गाइस मिलते हैं आगे. आप खाली बोलिए तो बेटा हम उनका
Same thing.
Okay, so done with our eating and everything, and the time is 12:30. So today we'll be taking a halt at Deoghar. So we'll stay today there, and tomorrow hopefully early morning we'll leave for Siliguri.
A few moments later.
I just hope that I don't start to feel sleepy because last night I was awake. I had no sleep at all. शायद एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से, एंड ऑल्सो आई वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम टेरिबल कोल्ड येस्टरडे, बट अब जाके ठीक हुआ है. सो बस जस्ट आई प्रे दैट आई डू नॉट फॉल स्लीप बिकॉज दैट विल बी वेरी डेंजरस इफ आई स्टार्ट टू फील स्लीपी.
Okay, so we have covered around 150 kilometers, somewhere around 150 kilometers, and Deoghar is more 80 kilometers, 80 to 90 kilometers from here, and we are at this bridge. This is a river. I don't know the name of this river, so you can Google it out. The river nearest to Giridih, and Giridih is more 10 kilometers, 10 or 7 kilometers from here. So far so good. I was a bit sleepy in the way, but after that was alright. The scene of my ride was very nice, but unfortunately I was unable to show you because it was raining heavily. ऊपर तो सूखा हूँ, but my pants are totally wet, and as you can see the wet roads. So it was raining quite heavily. अभी सूरज बाहर आया है. By the way, the time is 4:30. देखता हूँ और कुछ दिखा सका तो ज़रूर दिखाऊंगा, वरना मिलते हैं इन देवघर. Okay, so friends, we have reached the main city of Deoghar and सौरभ भाई ने बहुत अच्छा वार्म वेलकम किया है।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, सिंपल
सबको ये देखिए, सब आए थे हम लोग से मिलने के लिए। अनफॉर्चुनेटली कल कुछ प्लान है बट हम लोग नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाएंगे कल बिकॉज अर्ली मॉर्निंग वी हैव टू लीव फॉर सिलीगुड़ी। Okay, so friends, we have taken a halt in Deoghar and we are staying at Hotel Manorama at Satsang Chowk.
सर चाबी इस पर ठीक है।
ठीक है।
A few moments later.
Done with our dinner, सब कुछ खा पी के टाइट है और थक के चूर नहीं बोलेंगे बट ठीक ठाक है, बट थकावट है थोड़ी बहुत। राइड ठीक था, थोड़ा सा अच्छा बुरा दोनों था और एनर्जी ख़त्म हो गया। सो दैट वाज द डे 1 फॉर द सिलीगुड़ी राइड। सी यू टुमारो, बाय बाय। 1 minute, बाय द वे दिस इज आवर होटल रूम। टीटू भाई सुपरस्टार,
सब मोमाया भाई, सब मोमाया।
बाय द वे ही इज नॉट ड्रंक, ही इज एक्टिंग लाइक दैट। कमेंट्स पे कमेंट आ जाता है।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
तो
नहीं भाई, टेंशन नहीं लेगा, सब मोमाया।
So this room cost us 2,000 rupees, a bit overpriced because this does not have an air condition. ज़रूरत नहीं है फिर भी, बट एयर कंडीशन नहीं है, ठीक ठाक है।
एयर कंडीशन है,
हाँ, there is a AC but it's not working. So 2,000 कुछ ज़्यादा है। बाय बाय।